Welcome back to Alvin's Cabin. Isang mabilis na toy comparison. Si April O'Neil from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. So meron na ako ditong isang bootleg at isang original. So alin kaya sa dalawang ito ang bootleg or yung isa original? Ano ba yung difference ng bootleg sa original? So yung bootleg are unauthorized illegal copies of existing toys. Ito yung mga ginaya from the original mold. Same packaging, same box, and even the figures and accessories are all the same, identical. Pero you would definitely identify kung ano yung original versus sa bootleg. Some of it is yung box itself, malalaman natin. At saka yung painting, at saka yung pagkagawa ng toys. Siyempre mas pulido yung original. So we now go on the second box. Kung makikita nyo yung second box is parehas yung nauna. So, same box, same printout, same yung title nung ng laruan din. Same figure. Okay? Pag binuksan natin, makikita din natin same yung laman. We have April O'Neil, its accessories, yung printout nung character. Again, it's up to you guys kung bibili kayo ng bootleg or original as long as it makes you happy. So, sa inyo naman pera yan. Kayo guys, ano sa palagay nyo? Saan dito yung original? Asan ng bootleg? Comment below. Again, thank you for watching.